Mud bugs.
I'm taking a video, by the way, so you can drop it.
All right. Help me! It ain't gonna take long at all for that corn. That corn will do it. Well, the corn is slow to cook because it's frozen. Step by hand. We're gonna sit on my head and let it drain for a second.
You're cool.
Alright.
Your chair or whatever.
Alright. You gonna grab this and walk it? Put it a little bit more to the side. I'm gonna move out of the way. I'm ready when you're ready. Let's go grab that Alright, so here's how I want y'all to do it. I want you to kind of lower it down and drag it across like we're grabbing it.
Come forward,
Junior,
yeah.
pull that up on my hand. My hand's fat. No. Right there. Grab right there. Pull it up on my hand. Not
Just
down.
set the edge of it on there. I don't know what he's talking about. Let's do that.
All right. We're going to come in. Turn it like this.
Okay.
Hit the table. All right.
Ready?
Y'all two walk forward. I got the bottom.
All right. Here goes an egg. Here goes an egg. Here, lift up, lift up, lift up. All right. Let's drop the rest of it.
Give me the whole thing.